morning, friends. It is Monday morning. I'm going to try to vlog as much as I can this week, but things are kind of crazy right now. James, who's already having surgery on the 10th for his shoulder that's broken in 3 places and his rotator cuff, tripped in the yard last night, fell, broke his wrist in 2 places. So we need to get him into the ortho. They said he's going to need surgery, see if we can figure out if we can get it all done at once or not. But he's going to be off work for like 8 weeks now. And I'm a little bit stressed, a lot bit stressed, trying to pray it away, but just a lot going on. Doctor's appointments for kids, for James, farm stuff. I need to work in the garden, try to get as much as I can out of it, because we have about a month till our first freeze, and just a lot going on. So I thought I'd hop on here, say hi, say good morning. I've actually got to go get kids up for speech and get them fed breakfast. I made banana bread last night. I'll share a recipe in the description box, but I'm going to go get that sliced up. I just came out to check on animals, and I need to get kids going.
Come closer, dance for me.
I was able to get James a doctor's appointment about 15 minutes before the kids' speech therapy. He already went inside. I'm going to catch up with him. Okay, guys, so the doctors basically said it's not his wrist that's broken. It's the 2 bones directly above his wrist, and they do need to be straightened. So we are getting a stat referral over to his ortho that's doing his shoulder for the lower arm, and we're going to get it looked at tomorrow morning and find out whether or not he needs to have it done with his shoulder, or if they think they can just cast it, or what we're going to do from there.
Yeah? How many does this count? Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep.
Everybody is doing whatever work they can do independently, and CJ is helping Maddie do her work. And then we are going to have some chicken noodle soup and grilled cheese sandwiches for lunch today. Per Big James' request, he just isn't feeling too hot right now with the shoulder and the arm, and he thought maybe if he ate a big bowl of soup, he would be able to get some rest.
This today! I'm reading Bonnie today. Bonnie today. Hey! Now let's go ahead and read.
One funny, sunny summer day, Barney went outside to play. Suddenly he heard a sound, a siren whooping all around. A fire truck roared around the bend, driven by a paintbrush friend. Barney waved and happily said, "That's my pal, his name is Red."
One is this. I'm reading my another one. It's my favorite one. I read it when Mom was gone.
Did you?
Yep.
So why am I reading if you can read?
You can read it if you want.
Okay. Cecil the Circle is round like a ball. That's his favorite toy of all.
Hey, my head is round.
Yep.
We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've earned it. Dance for me. Easy, tiger, easy, let your hair down. Come closer, let me see all your million faces and all your million mistakes. You don't need to hide. Come closer so that we can be together. Everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more.
7? Or
No.
Because I've been doing that.
It don't matter.
Okay.
Look at CJ work.
I work all the time. That's how I got muscles.
While I work on dishes and some general cleaning around the house, CJ made dinner. He did some barbecue shake and bake drumsticks, a Lipton side or North side broccoli cheddar pasta, mac and cheese, and a Caesar salad. Thank you guys so much for watching. I apologize again for having another short video. Life is just crazy right now, but as soon as things kind of get back in order, we will be having more long videos coming up, or like 10-15 minute videos. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.